Hi, this is Brandon Manning from Lily's, and we have a pretty unique job today. We are going to be cleaning some tile, outdoor tile that is, and some of the tools we're going to be using today is a 4,000 psi, 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, a 19-inch buffer that is an orbital and orbits at 1,725 orbits per minute with the red pad, and we're going to do the extraction and soil transfer process with the bonnet. So the solution we're using right now is a light sodium hypochlorite mixture with a little bit of soap as the surfactant. And we're getting the rails here and we're getting the fence along the large deck, I should say. And we're actually cleaning 3 stories. This is the largest area of the deck that we're cleaning. This is the second floor, and it is huge. It's about, if I were to guess, about 2,000 square feet worth of tile, if not longer. And right now we're applying the solution, and we're using the XJet M5 to apply the solution. Now, what this does is this is going to whiten the grout lines significantly. And with this machine with the red pad, this is an agitation and polish pad. We are safely agitating the pre-spray and the solution into the grout lines, but not so much the grout lines, but more so the tile. We're really focused on getting that tile clean. We've already soft washed the tile, and now we are actually cleaning the tile. So this agitation process will be a great way to loosen up some of that soil and dirt that's on the surface of the tile. And after that, we rinse it with the pressure washer. So right here, we are now going over the tile with a 3-inch thick microfiber bonnet. And this is a very absorbent bonnet. And not only does it extract and absorb the remaining soil and solution, it also buffs the floor and gives it a natural shine. Even this tile will look magnificent when we're done. Now, traditionally, you would pressure wash or soft wash this tile, right? And rinse it and you leave. However, can't really do that and get great results. So the problem that this client has had in the past is the leftover salt crystals from the sodium hypochlorite. So that residue is going to be all over that tile. And unfortunately, this is a dark tile. This is a dark gray tile. So it is very noticeable. It's not like you're doing a driveway and the whiter the better. This is noticeable. So what we're doing here is we're buffing out the salt crystals as well as giving the tile a natural, more beautiful shine. So when we're done, everything will look immaculate. And this is a very unique type of cleaning and restoration that we're performing, even though it's set, and I've showcased this many times on my channel. We're implementing tools such as a pressure washer and a buffer, and we're using them together to achieve results that are really second to none. And not many cleaners, not many technicians, not many service providers in the cleaning industry are able to use these type of tools and get these type of results. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to set ourselves apart. We use set soil extraction transfer technology, and we want to set our services apart from the rest. And this is what the client gets. They get somebody that works hard and tries to do the best job they can and get the best results they can for their client. And that's beneficial to you, the client, and to us, the service provider. And it's always just very rewarding to see your work right after you're done. And this is a beautiful job. We did a nice job here for the client. They really appreciate it. And just look at the results are phenomenal. They speak for themselves. The floors look fantastic. They're nice and dry. We extracted all the soil. We extracted the salt crystal residue. And we gave that floor a beautiful shine. And thanks for watching.